Welcome. Let's dive into how you can add the date to your status on Messenger. Follow these steps to enhance your status updates. 1. Start by opening Messenger on your device to access your conversations and stories. 2. Tap the Stories tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen to initiate the process of creating your status. 3. Select Add to Story to begin composing your status update, which will bring up the editing tools for your story. 4. Tap on the text icon positioned in the top right corner of the screen to add text elements to your story. 5. Next, tap the sticker icon on the right side to access various stickers and icons for your status. 6. Locate and tap the date icon to add the current date to your status, providing a timestamp for your update. 7. Once you've added the date and are satisfied with your status, tap Share Now at the bottom right to publish it to your Messenger story. By following these steps, you can easily incorporate the date into your Messenger status, keeping your contacts informed and engaged with your latest updates. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on adding the date to your Messenger status. Stay tuned for more social media tips and tricks.